come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
The question I'm asking,
Don't speak bad about the tradition.
so they will not believe what Mr. Rane is saying. They will not believe what Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is saying. But they have the authority to say what they want about the Prime Minister's mother and her interaction with her son, the Prime Minister of India. That they have the right to comment on. Now, how is that justified?
Navika, hear me out. Yesterday, the Delhi Police Special Cell arrested 5 youths. They were planning to perpetrate large-scale terror attacks in India. They had gained expertise in IEDs, in bombing. They had formed a group that was related to ISIS, communicating to ISIS, and their group was called Ghazwa-e-Hind. They arrested these people, but that's not one thing. What is astonishing is that these people were pharmacologists, English honor students, toppers, gold medalists. One guy, Danish, is from Jharkhand. He is a top-notch student. You know why this is happening? Because they've been radicalized. Now I'll tell you why what Congress is doing is happening. Rahul Gandhi has radicalized the Congress party. Please understand the psyche of repeatedly infringing upon the personal rights, the personal space, the freedom of expression of everyone else impetuously. He doesn't care what he says. As I said, and I repeat this, and I'll keep repeating this ad nauseum, unless the courts, unless the judiciary, unless the people who are aggrieved by his demented, deranged utterances take action against him, legal action, I don't see any recourse. Now let me give you a couple of examples. This AI-generated video. Yes, the Congress is right in saying technically it's not abusing the mother, but a deceased mother who did no harm to anyone. You are putting words in her mouth. And you know what already Congress has started doing, and Abhijit knows this. They have started truncating this. They have clipped this video. They are now running the video without the background, the context, or what happens afterward. They are giving the impression that his mother was just saying these things. Even Modi is not there in the clip. Please listen. Now, you know what is happening? It's a very...
So he's normalizing it.
Please. What is being normalized is millions are seeing this, and millions do not see Modi in that video. Millions don't see the reaction. They see the late mother of Modi speaking something, berating her son. That is going viral. It's not just the AI video that's going viral. People are saying... ये उनकी मां ने कहा था उनके आगे जिसमें मोदी साहब अपनी मदर के चरण पे धो रहे हैं, उनसे हाथ जोड़ रहे हैं, कैमरा लगे हुए हैं, क्या वही देखे हम?
आप मत देखिए ना।
हाँ, तो क्या करने गए थे? क्या करने गए थे? आई वांट टू फिनिश। एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर को अपनी मदर से वीडियो डोंट वॉच किसने कहा था?
माय फ्रेंड डोंट वॉच।
व्हाई डिड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर
Give me your phone. Give me your phone. I'll throw it in water. आपको सारे वीडियो दिखने बंद हो जाएंगे।
गलत है। सुन लो, आपसे बोल रहा हूँ। Do you approve of a 20-second clip, not just a 2-minute video that the AI, 20-second clip of someone who looks so real, like the late Prime Minister's mother, berating the son, giving the impression that is exactly what she said. Do you approve of this? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes or no आपने पूछा?
बात आई।
काउंटर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं, इसका आंसर करिए। आंसर करिए इसका। Do you approve of this?
There were no abuses. There was no berating. There was only advice. And it is not a Congress-made video. It was made by somebody else.
This is the problem.
ठीक है? फिर भी
this is the problem.
फिर भी I agree with you. No, I agree with you. मैं
इंदिरा गांधी
सर एक मिनट, मैं इनके प्रश्न का उत्तर साफ देता हूँ। मैं बेबाक बोलने वाला आदमी हूँ। आप एक मिनट।
Abhijit has a question for you.
If I make an AI video of Indira Gandhi making a video about her grandson saying the same things to her grandson, the Congress will not have an issue with it?
It is already happening. You guys are already doing it.
I'm asking you.
बीजेपी का IT सेल already ये सब कर रहा है भाई।
I am asking you a question.
आप तो बहुत कुछ करते हो।
If I make an AI video,
कर रहे हैं। अरे इसी टाइप के भाई अरे शो में वीडियो सिमिलर वीडियो पूरी दुनिया देख रही है। You're sitting on national television.
No, 1 minute. You are saying Amit Malviya is a factory of fake news. I want to ask you, and Gaurav Chachra, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रही हूँ. सुप्रिया श्री ने ट्वीटेड, प्रधानमंत्री गया जी क्यों जा रहे हैं अपनी माताजी का पिंडदान के लिए, क्योंकि पिंडदान तो उनके भाई ने कर दिया 2023 में. या तो उन्हें पता नहीं है कि व्हाट इज द कल्चर रिचुअल्स इन इंडिया, or she wants to have the right to control what a son wants to do, what is the family's pratha, what he wants to do for the mother. I want to say, are you going to now have political discourse going to that level?
You are really doing it by calling this man from Goa,
Yes.
and exposing the relation, trying to say bad about relationship of Sonia. You are already doing it.
What do you mean by calling this man? I take objection to the manner in which you talk. You should have some decency. The man is a citizen of India. The man is a citizen of India sitting on a constitutional throne.
इन्होंने क्या बोला? डॉक्टर साहब ने, अब आपको ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है जब वो सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी के बीच के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बुरा बोल रहे हैं?
सुनिए एक सेकंड.
तब आपके दिल में वो नहीं आया? बताइए. ऑब्जेक्शन है कौन सी?
Can I please?
Gaurav Chachra ji, only man who's going to speak because I've asked a question of him. Gaurav Chachra ji, number 2 question I'm adding to the first one. Supriya Srinath's tweet, and second question. Sonia Gandhi is a political figure. She's a member of parliament, has been the party president in the past. Talking about her in the political parlance, I don't think is a sin. And Rahul Gandhi is also in politics. The Prime Minister's mother was never in politics. Now please answer, should politics go to the extent of deciding whether Pindan should be done or not, कब करना चाहिए, कहाँ करना चाहिए, और videos of this kind?
बीजेपी हर बार भावनाओं का सहारा लेकर राजनीति करती है. उस वीडियो में नसीहत है, अपमान नहीं है, मजाक नहीं है. अगर सच्चाई दिखाई गई है और भाजपाइयों को सच्चाई अपमान लग रही है तो ये भाजपाइयों की दिक्कत है. सवाल उठेंगे, लोकतंत्र है, सवाल पूछेंगे. जनता सवाल पूछ रही है असल मुद्दों का, महंगाई, बेरोजगारी, भ्रष्टाचार, महिला अपराध. आपके पास जवाब नहीं है, तभी आप मां का सहारा लेके राजनीति कर रहे हो.
दिखा दिया ऐसे वीडियो.
बिहार में किसने बोला?
आप उसको ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं करोगे ना?
आपकी सरकार है.
अगर हमने अखिलेश जी का मम्मी का वीडियो बनाया, ऐसे अखिलेश जी के साथ बात करते हुए, so you support it, he accepts.
रही बात,
So the BJP should make a video about Akhilesh mummy.
ये AI वीडियो डाला.
One minute, are you saying Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav and all the sundry parties who are now campaigning in Bihar, nobody believes them that they have to generate an AI video of the Prime Minister and his mother and the nasihat? आपके अपने में कोई दम नहीं है, हवाबाजी है आपकी.
भाजपा बिहार भाजपा ने अभी 24 घंटे पहले वीडियो डाला है, उसमें राहुल गांधी का नाम लिया.
यार देखो ऐसे ही
All right, 1 minute.
Video is exposing the politics, dirty politics of Modi ji. Because Modi ji started the politics on his mother.
Anand first and last question.
अश्विनी जी देखिए, बहुत गलत बात है, चांस दीजिए. गौरव जी आपने सवाल पूछा, विवेक पूछा, मैं आपको 3 एग्जांपल देता हूं. आपने कहा कि द जेंटलमैन हु इज हियर ऑन योर शो, द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम गोवा, हैज सेड समथिंग. ये गलत नहीं है, इट इज हिज क्लेम. यू डिसएग्री विद
Hearsay claim.
Can I please 1 second? Hearsay claim is also claim. Let me in this. Ashwini ji, you are I can't even speak 10 seconds here. This is not parliament. Please allow me to speak. Okay. In the 70s, Pulitzer Prize winning Washington Post journalist Simmons, he alleged that Sanjay Gandhi slapped Indira Gandhi 6 times in full view. Okay, that was his claim.
Again,
right?
hearsay.
What am I saying? That was his claim. Do you understand what happens? Was he sued for defamation? Did Indira Gandhi sue him? You answer me, yes or no?
This is not an evidence in the legal context also.
Answer me.
I understand the law. Yes, is not an evidence.
Answer me.
In the legal context also.
So
anyone can say
If you
anything.
have a problem, sue him.
My friend, sue him.
Narika ji, we'll definitely do that.
But
What are you waiting for?
How can he say something like that on a national channel without an
आपने कहा ये
evidence?
abuse नहीं है, मैं मानता हूँ abuse नहीं है. लेकिन आप मुझे आंसर करिए गौरव जी, अगर 20 सेकंड का क्लिप निकाल के आप मिलियंस को दिखा रहे हो, उनको लग रहा है कि मोदी जी उनकी लेट मदर उनसे ये कह रही हैं।
सर वो
ये गलत है।
तुम्हारे माँ बेटे को नहीं
अरे वो गलत है क्या?
बात तो बोलिए।
सिद्धार्थ क्या है?
आपने क्या चलाया?
सिद्धार्थ क्या है?